How to restart iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can restart iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. There are two possible ways to restart your iPhone. First is you open your settings, then you go to general, then simply scroll down and select shutdown here. So when you slide to power off, your phone or iPhone will get shut down, and then you have to go ahead and then turn it on back again, because iPhone does not have a restart button unfortunately, so that's just a bit of a process. Now another way you can do it is to simply press the power button as well as your volume down buttons together, then you'll find slide to power off. So power it off, and after it's done powering off, if you want to turn it on, just long press the power button in order to actually restart it. So this is like shutting down and just turning it on again. So there is not a dedicated restart toggle, by the way. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.